everyone. I'm Shankail Ibulaga from BTBT Ed 11A. I'm here to explain how do human acts affect relationship and society. Human acts play a significant role in shaping relationship and society. If makabuhat kag maayo like showing respect, understanding, and care, it helps build stronger and healthier relationship. For example, if you're helpful and understanding, it strengthens trust and communication with each other. However, if makasala ka like mamakak or mag-cheat, it can damage trust and cause conflict or misunderstanding. Therefore, every action you can take has impact on people around you. Relationships. Small and consistent action matter the most. Simple gesture like pagpakita og respeto o paghatag og oras help maintain strong bonds. Being honest and reliable makes relationship more stable and long-lasting. On the other hand, negative behavior such as being self-centered or insensitive can weaken the connection and cause emotional pain. Once na masira ang trust, it is difficult to rebuild. This is why open communication and mutual respect are essential for long-lasting positive and meaningful relationship. In society, human acts greatly affect peace and order. When people help each other and follow the law, it promotes a peaceful and organized community. For instance, simple act of kindness and responsibility create a more safety and environment. Meanwhile, bad actions such as pagpanikas or pagsupak sa balaod create problems and troubles. A society thrives when individuals choose act with integrity and accountability, contributing to a better quality of life for everyone. In conclusion, what you do, whether good or bad, maka-epic sa relationship and society. Good action fosters trust, cooperation, and unity, while bad action causes division and program. It is important to choose to do good because it is not only benefits you but also the peoples around you. By participating kindness, honesty, and responsibility, you contribute to build a better future and more positive society. So that's all my explanation about how do human act affect relationship and society. Thank you.